Brand new air fryer, brand new recipe. And what I love about the Lakeland Adjustable Large Drawer Air Fryer is its massive 9-litre capacity, which means I can literally roast a whole bird in there. Now I'm spatchcocking this chicken, which sounds gruesome, but it's actually really easy. And I've made the most incredible garlic, rosemary and lemon butter, which I'm slathering under the chicken skin and all over the bird. "40 minutes in the air fryer and you have the most golden, flavourful, crispy skinned roast chicken you will ever eat."